In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion. If you're moving your notes into Notion, this quick walkthrough will help you connect Evernote and bring everything over with minimal hassle. Before you start, make sure you're signed into the correct Notion workspace and that you have access to your Evernote account credentials. Using the desktop app or a modern browser works best, and it helps to keep both apps open so you can reference anything if needed. Begin inside Notion and click on your profile. You'll usually find this at the top of the sidebar. This opens the menu where you can access your account and workspace controls. From here, click on Settings. The Settings area is where Notion centralizes account preferences, workspace management, and tools that help you bring content in from other platforms. Next, find and click on Import. The Import section is specifically designed for moving content into Notion, and you'll see several services listed here. Notion handles formatting and attachments as smoothly as possible, but keep in mind that very large files or unusual formatting may take a bit longer to process. Select Evernote from the list. Choosing Evernote tells Notion which service you're connecting so it can securely establish the link and prepare for the transfer of your notes and notebooks. This step doesn't move anything yet. It simply gets you to the connector for Evernote. Now click on Connect Evernote. Notion will open a secure prompt to begin the connection. This uses Evernote's official authentication, so your login details are handled by Evernote, not by Notion. It's a good idea to double check that you're connecting the Evernote account that actually holds the notes you want to import. Then enter your account. Sign in with your Evernote credentials and complete any verification steps, such as two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. You may be asked to grant permission for Notion to access your notes. Review the prompt, confirm, and proceed. Once authorized, Notion will start pulling your content into your workspace. Depending on the size of your Evernote library, this can take a few minutes. It's going to keep Notion open while it runs, and don't worry if notes appear gradually. When the import completes, you'll see your Evernote content available in Notion, ready to browse and organize. If something looks off, give it a moment to finish processing or refresh. From there, you can rename pages, adjust properties, and tidy up tags to match your Notion setup. That's it. Profile, settings, import Evernote, connect, and sign in. You're all set to continue your work right inside Notion.